Okay, well, this is what happens when steel is subjected to water and oxygen. It rots like this, and you have to cut out sections, replace them, and luckily enough, I did this sort of thing in a past life, so here I am, cutting and shutting the front cross member of the Dreamcatcher. It is all done now and looking quite spiffing, if I do say so myself. I shall add a post weld photo to let you see. As you can see, there's quite a bit of this chopped out and replaced, but that's what you need to do to keep these old vans running. See you in the next post. Bye.